So guys, bad news guys. Papa Flyer went home but look, it's may bukol siya oh.
Don't see it.
You don't see it? Look, feel it. Oh no, don't press it too much. Just feel it. Marcing, why are you eating the gugog food? That's not for people. That's only for Flyer and Papa Flyer and Auntie and the other pigeons. So Jane, who do we have today? The Papa Pigeon. So next time we will.
Last time I said before me, I think we know. So let's check the code.
Oh, you want to get the code?
Yeah.
Hold this. Oh, why you forgot the new camera holder?
Oh, we got a new camera holder, guys. Okay, hold it. Jingle bell. I'm videoing your camera.
Oh no.
What? Hold it, Papa.
There's something on him. That's why he did not went home on time. What is this? It's a bump. It's a hump.
Hold it.
He got accident. Meron siya bukol sa dibdib ang laki.
Oh no!
Ha? Hindi ko alam. That's why he struggles to get home, Zane. Because he got an accident. Baka naserga siya o kaya
This code is long.
nasabit. O doon, dikit doon. Ayan guys ang laki Pero tuyot siya, payat siya. At magaan. Kawawa naman. Kaya pala nahirapan umuwi. So guys, bad news guys. Papa Flyer went home but look, it's may bukol siya
Don't see it.
You don't see it? Look, feel it. Oh no, don't press it too much. Just feel it. So guys, kaya pala siya nahirapan.
Go out there right now.
Ito, ang payat na niya Pero ang laki nung bukol niya dito. Sa kaliwa.
Go out there right now. Don't go down there. That's not interference.
Makakarga pa ba natin to guys?
Go out there.
So, try natin kondisyon.
Go out there right now.
You live here on this stage? Your house? No, it's not.
So guys, we got this new camera holder. So we were going to make a video because my papa tailed the Papa Flyer was here, and then we was trying to go to Lola Dory, but we made a video now.
How hungry are Papa Pigeon? With the use of your new camera holder, you can switch. No, I mean you can switch the camera. So from here, okay. Oh, you can hold. So guys, that's the Papa Pigeon. I'll put it here. So look, he's eating na. Kawawa naman, kaya pala hindi nakauwi.
So guys, He was just feeding the pigeon. No more, no more, no more. How about this one? We can put this one. Papa, what you say on our viewers? We have a new camera holder.
Yeah, guys, we have a new camera holder.
For me! Yay!
Because Shane is struggling how to handle the camera. So now Shane can handle the camera with care without getting scared of dropping it off, right?
But I can do this. Now we can make a video when you want to do this and then do that. Okay. Wait for us! Let's go down, Papa. So guys, we are just giving them water. So what you got to say to our viewers?
So guys, if you want the Papa Pigeon to heal himself, click the subscribe button so he can heal himself.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. You subscribe to our video. He will heal.
Subscribe to the video and then Papa Jesus will heal our kukuk.
Papa Jesus? Who's Papa Jesus? Who's Papa Jesus?
Papa Jesus, you don't know Papa Jesus.
Yeah.
So guys, click the subscribe button to help the kukuk heal.
Papa, hold it. It's too. It's always hurting. So guys, we have this one like this.
So guys, wala naman sugat guys. Pero may ano siya, may bukol ang laki. So mukhang sumerga. Sana makakondisyon pa. And then sa next lap, maload pa natin siya ulit. Mukhang na serga o kaya bumangga. Malalaman mo kasi yun sa hipo nung ibon. Pag hawak ko pa lang ang laki nung kaliwa.
Oh no!
So guys, dito na muna namin tatapusin ang video. We just updated you with the Papa Kukuk. And
I got to break this.
break it.
Yeah, there's a lot of iron.
So baka sabihin na naman nagrarason lang.
Iron is like
Baka sabihin na naman nagrarason tayo. So yun talaga yung nangyari sa ibon. We just wanted to let yung mga sumusubaybay na
I want to break.
kung ano yung nangyayari.
Okay.
So thank you for
Watching.
following us and subscribing on to our channel. And guys, we need to go na.
Yeah, because it's shaking, guys.
Oh. So guys, I will be papa-inject muna guys. We'll be right back na lang. Bye. Marcing, why are you eating nagugug food? That's not for people. That's only for Flyer and Papa Flyer and Auntie and the other pigeons.